All right, let's answer this question here. It says, question 23, the value of a piano is depreciated by using the reducing balance method. The graph below shows the value of the piano as it depreciates over a period of 10 years. So we've got this piano, it's initially $8,000, and then each year it's depreciating. Now, this does look like it's linear, but it's not, because if it's the reducing balance method, that means it's going to be geometric. In other words, it's depreciating by some percentage each year. So as you can see, each year is depreciating. And what we've got to figure out is what is the percentage it's decreasing each year in order to answer this question here. Let P of n be the value of the piano after n years. A recurrence relation that could be used to determine P of n is which of the following. Okay, so to do this, what I would do is I would take both of these values and divide them by each other. And it's going to tell me the percentage of different, it's going to tell me, what one is the percentage of the other. So you'll see this in action now. So if I come over here and I go control divide, and then I go, all right, I've got 6516.05. I'm putting my smaller number on top, and that's because I know it's depreciating and not increasing. It's decreasing, not increasing, and that will give me, wait for it, this right here, 0.95. That means it's decreased by 5%. Okay, it's decreased by 5%. So in other words, my piano is depreciating 5% each year. It was initially $8,000 and each year it's reducing by 5%. So that means that A is going to be my answer right there. If you wanted to double check that you've done this correctly, it's not necessary, but you could go, all right, I've got $8,000, hit enter, then go times by 0.95. So in my first year, it's worth 7,600. In the second, that. In the third, 6,859, which is what we see there. And then in the fourth year, 6516.05, which is what we see there. So that assures us that we have done it correctly. If we look at our examiner's report now, it says the reducing balance method means that, P of n is equal to R. So what R is here, which we found is 0.95, where R is less than 1. That's why I said back here, we wanted to make sure that we put the smaller number up the top and the bigger number down the bottom, because we wanted a number less than 1. This leaves only option A. So if you do look at your other options here, this one's no good because it's it's way too big. I mean, that would be increasing, wouldn't it? This also would be no good because it's increasing by 5% each year, and then it's increasing by 5%, then you're subtracting 3 for some reason. This one just looks crazy, and that one's no good as well. So hopefully that makes sense on how we've done that.